I threw a boomerang a few years ago. I now live in constant fear. You're welcome. Alright, so we're going to side the utility room. Before that, I just want to show you a few things that have been showing up in the trail cam. So, you remember we put out that feed the other day and we planted clove a few months ago. Well, anyways, on the day after we put that feed out, these deer showed up. So we had them here at 8:30 in the morning, 4:30 in the afternoon, and again at 8:30 at night. So that's really good. Also, a couple days after that, bullwinkle showed up. So we got this bull moose showing up too. We already had moose and bear coming in, had the deer coming in lately too, but to see them coming in right after we put the feed out, especially the deer, that's perfect. So we're gonna work on that there little extension we did there. Basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna side it with the rest of the hemlock we got. Clean it all up, make it look pretty. So a few people mentioned about the metal edges on the thing there. It must be because the way it looks in the video, but that's nowhere near our stairs. Our stairs on the other side at the front of the house, and also the deck, it's way off to the side. You would have to fall off the deck to be running into the metal, right? It's not anywhere near it. And also where it even is at, it just, nobody's going to be, it's fine, right? Now having said that, maybe we'll do something, but probably not. I mean, it's really out of the way, right? It just probably doesn't look like it when you're watching it on the video. Anyways, and the reason why that's just extended out like that is because last year we built that out of scraps. So we just kind of threw that together, and there's no reason for me to take the front piece off. If I took the front piece off, that would have just made the work 1,000 times more work. So I had a couple people ask about that, so I just wanted to mention that. It would have turned that job into a much bigger job instead of just adding the bit to bring it out to the concrete. This is the way to do it for sure, because we just wanted to bring it out, get it over the concrete, so that sorts out that problem of any rain going in underneath or anything like that. And also I'm going to just pack that with insulation, so that'll help keep that place nice and warm for the water tank and stuff. I made the door a little bit bigger so that when you go through the bigger door, you can still get through the smaller one that's already there from before, which will not have a door on it anymore. I'll just leave it open, right? So that's why that's like that. It is what it is. It's nothing special, but it does the trick for us, and it'll look fine and all that. So that's why it is what it is. So we're going to finish it up, make it look good.
You guys want treats? You guys want treats? Hello? Oh, you're so rude. You're rude. Stay down. Get him, Huey. Get a piece before they eat it all. Go get some eggs. You just steal from each other. You guys are so mean. Go find a piece, you. You'll be all right. Don't panic. If somebody's decided that they want to lay on this little box down here all the time, because there's always one down here, and then the rest always lay in the exact same bed in the exact same spot, but one's being rebellious and laying elsewhere. I need more girls. Only 4 eggs a day. We We need to replenish the flock from what the fox took. No! Get me out of here before they try and get the eggs. No. Please get their water bottle. Yeah. Just literally getting your water. That's it. See you later. Have a good day.
You see the bottom here? If you can see where I'm pointing at it. Yeah, there. That bottom piece we're gonna put, not this piece, but a piece like this. Like over top it, it'll look better than this piece looks. Just so no water gets in that. Just something.
Almost done.
Well, that makes life easier. Just got that there off my buddy. He has 2 of them, so I got that second hand off him. That's going to come in handy for the corners and stuff around on the siding and everything. That's why we haven't got at that yet. Now we have it, so. And it's going to come in handy for all the inside stuff and a bunch of other things. But super pumped about that. Okay, you see that piece of drip edge I put there? That looks like crap right now. So I'm hoping once the door goes on that it doesn't look bad. But if it does, I'm going to rip it off and probably put a piece of flashing over top of it, so it's flatter in there and cleaner. But we'll see once I put the door on if it looks like crap or not. Because for right now, I don't like what it looks like. So I'm just going to nail that up. We need more nails for the gun, because nailing it on there is going to be a pain in the butt without the gun. So we're going to get those, and it's too dang hot. So this is the last thing I'm nailing on today. We can only do a little bit of it at a time, right? Because it's so hot out here. So that's it.
I agree with him. Too hot. See ya.